So today, folks, I'm finding myself at Lafayette Place Campground, and we're going to be going to the Falling Falls Trail, and trying to go up to see what we can do for photographing some waterfalls. So follow along. Hope we have a good time, and we get back within the next couple hours. There's the parking area, and we'll be walking on up. Well, right now we are at the Falling Waters Path. We're gonna walk away, see what's out there, and then we're gonna bring my dog back because he's can't travel the whole distance with me. Gonna do some exploration and find the waterfalls. There should be 3 waterfalls here. I don't know if I'll make it to all 3 or not. Depends on how much energy I'll have, but we're gonna see what we can find. So come along with us. We got another parking area up top here. So what's kind of interesting is that I came in from the north side earlier, parked in here, and it didn't seem right according to my GPS, so I got back on the highway, came down, and now I'm ended up in the same spot. Isn't that interesting that you can't always follow the GPS? So I'm on my way to Falling Trails Falls. Kind of a neat little pathway, quite rocky. This is supposed to be 2/10 of a mile for the first leg, and then it forks off for the Blue Trail, and that is supposed to be another 8/10 of a mile. So looks like from the parking lot it'd be about a mile hike over to the first set of waterfalls. Wish me luck. Well, it looks like I didn't take the wrong turn, but I found the cabin. The hook's coming down with the water. Pretty nice. You can see that. It runs all the way down. Real awesome. Might be a photo on the way back. I'm going to keep on going. We see the split here for the Blue Trail. Going to keep going up this way, and see if we get there. I'm on the bridge that takes you over the water. So I am just took a couple pictures. Really great view. Look at this. Isn't this nice, huh? All right, keep on going. Head around. Keep ascending the mountain here. I've photographed quite a few waterfalls in New Hampshire, and each one is always breathtaking. I've gone to a couple of them winter and spring, summertime, all a little bit different. So nice to see though. I'll keep on going up. I'll talk to you soon. Look at this. This is so nice. I'm coming off the mountain. It's interesting how all this path was cleared many years ago. Make it easier for an average person like me to climb this thing. Keep on going. It's an update. I don't know how far I am up. Seems like I'm gone 40 miles, but being 68 years old, I guess that par for the course. But I'm gonna keep on going a little higher here See if we can get to the top, at least to the first waterfall. So stay tuned. Oh, an update. Looks like I've hit on a fairly level trail right now. Starting to hear sounds like a waterfall. I don't know how close we are, but I sure hope we're pretty close. This is a long trek for me. I think it's going to be worth it. Let's keep on going. So it looks like I'm pretty close. Got a sign here. Welcome to the Falling Waters Trail, and people can't camp 2 is beyond this point. So I hear the waterfall pretty going along. Walk on down here. See what we are here about. See an opening. My guess that's where the waterfall is. Climb up these stairs. And here we are. So this is called Stair Falls. And all the way up, back down. Get a little closer. I think my location to photograph is a little higher up. I'm going to cut this off and try again. Well, as you can see, I've made it to the falls and photographed it. It's a little treacherous to get around, so I didn't want to try to set this up and have still in the meantime. Really beautiful. Take a look at here. All the way up. This is only the first waterfall. Got my dog Bailey in the van, so I don't want to stay too much longer, so I'm heading back down now. But beautiful day to do this. And this pathway will lead up to the next waterfall. If you have the daring to do it, be sure to wear boots if you feel like to get wet. Alright, we'll talk to you soon. Off the waterfall, heading my way back down to the trailhead. So I will catch up with you back there unless there's something more interesting as I go farther down. Talk to you soon. On my way down, came across this nice little view. And this is really pretty. I did do a couple of still pictures of it just for record purposes. A little steep for me to get down, as you can see, and to get back up here. So I probably get down, don't know if I get back up. So I'm just going to enjoy the view as it is, and then keep on heading back down to the trail site. Well, coming back up to that bridge again. One last look. Then from here, I'm about 2/10 of a mile back to the trailhead. So we'll take one last peek at this. Real nice. Come to New Hampshire. Oh, I just wanted to point out, I'm back at this spot we were originally. So I did set up to photograph it. Again, forgot to set up the camera at the time, but I am juggling a few things So I hope you understand it's not as simple just to set it up and film it. So take a look at the photographs. I'll present them shortly. Thanks.